Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 3 trigonometric functions. Now question number 1 is prove that 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 by 13 equal to 0. This is a question. We use the formula of cos x plus cos y. The formula of cos x plus cos y equal to 2 cos x plus y upon 2 and cos x minus y by 2. Use this formula. Okay. In these two terms, the first left hand side LHS 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13. And in this 2 times cos 3 pi by 13 plus 5 pi by 13 by 2. Okay. And cos 3 pi by 13 minus 5 pi by 13 by 2. X plus y upon 2, x minus y upon 2. Now 2 cos pi by 13 cos 9 pi by 13 plus 2 cos. It is equal to the 8 pi by 13 by cancel. It is equal to the 4 pi by 13. And cos minus 2 pi by. It is equal to minus pi by 13. Okay. Cos pi by 13 common because cos minus theta is cos theta. Common 2 cos pi by 13 common. In the bracket cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 4 pi by 13. Cos minus theta cos theta. We can take cos pi by 13 common. Now again put the same formula cos x plus cos y. 2 times cos a plus b मतलब x plus y और the 9 pi by 13 and 4 pi by 13 divided by 2 and cos 9 pi by 13 minus 4 pi by 13 by 2. By simplification we get 4 cos pi by 13 cos 9 plus 4 13 by 13 it is equal to the cos pi by 2 and 9 minus 4 is 5 it is equal to the 5 pi by 26 by 13 divided by 2 it is equal to 26. Now 4 cos pi by 13 into 0 cos pi by 2 is 0. It is equal to 0. Okay, it is RHS of the question. Just simple. We have explained by the only one formula cos x plus cos y. Question number 2. Question number 2 is sin 3x plus sin x into sin x. And cos 3x minus cos x into cos x equal to 0. LHS. Multiply sin x in both these two terms. Sin 3x into sin x plus sin x into sin x is sin square x. And cos 3x into cos x minus cos square x. Okay, now arrange the terms. Sin 3x into sin x plus cos 3x into cos x minus cos square x minus sin square x. we can write minus 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 plus cosine. Sin A, the formula of sin A sin B, or we can write cos A cos B plus sin A upon sin B equal to cos A minus B. So this is a formula of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So we can write cos A minus B. Okay, minus, it is a formula cos square A minus sin square A, it is equal to cos 2A. This is a formula of cos square A minus sin square equal to cos 2A. So we can write here cos 2x. Cos 2x minus cos 2x equal to 0. It is the RHS of the question. This is the RHS. Solved. Question number 3. The question number 3 is cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. Okay. Now LHS. Open the formula is cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y plus sin square x plus sin square y minus 2 sin x sin y. Rearrange the terms. Sin square x plus cos square x. In second bracket, cos square y plus sin square y. And 2 cos x cos y minus 2 sin x sin y. Common 2 cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. It is equal to 1 plus 2 cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. It is a formula of cos A plus B. It is a formula of cos A plus B. So we can write 2 plus 2 cos x plus y. 2 common, 1 plus cos x plus y. Okay. Now use the formula of cos 2a. Cos 2a equal to the formula of cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. It means 1 plus cos 2a by 2 equal to cos square a. 1 plus cos 2a by 2, or the 1 plus cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a. 2 cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a. It is also 1 plus cos 2a. So we can write, yes, simply 1 cos 2 equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So we can write 2 cos square x plus y by 2 minus 1. Okay. Now simplify, 1 cancel, 2 into 2 4. The answer is 4 cos square x plus y divided by 2. This is the RHS. Okay, just use this formula, cos 2a. Okay. Next, question number 4. The question number 4 is cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equal to 4 sin square x minus y upon 2. Same process like question number 3. Expand the formula. Cos a minus b whole square is cos square a plus cos square b minus 2 cos x cos y. A square plus b square minus 2ab. And the same sin square x plus sin square y minus 2 sin x sin y. Okay, now rearrange the terms. Sin square x plus cos square x. Next, sin square y plus cos square y. And the next minus common, minus 2 common, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. This equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. It is a formula of cos a minus b. Okay, it is a formula of cos a minus b. 1 plus 1 2, common 2, it means 1 minus cos a minus b. We have to write here in the RHS in sin square. It means cos 2 equal to, formula cos 2 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a. So write here, say 2, 1, 1 minus 2 sin square 2a, it means divide by 2 x minus y upon 2. Okay. 2, 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x minus y upon 2. 1 cancel. 4 sin square x minus y upon 2. This is the RHS of the question. The question number 5 is sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x equal to 4 cos x, cos 2x and sin 4x. Okay. Now make pair of two terms. Sin x, sin 5x. It means 5 plus 1, 6 by 3, 3x or 2x come. And sin 3x plus sin 7x. Sin a plus sin b equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 and cos a minus b by 2. Two sin 3x plus 7x by 2 and cos 3x minus 7x by 2. 2 sin x plus 6x by 2 means 3x and cos minus 2x. 2 sin 10 by 2 it is 5x and it is cos minus 2x. 2 common, sin 3x cos minus theta equal to cos theta and sin 5x and cos 2x. Now cos 2x common, 2 cos 2x common, sin 3x plus sin 5x. Again formula sin a plus sin b. It is equal to 2 sin 3x plus 5x by 2 and sin cos 3x minus 5x by 2 equal to 2 cos 2x, 2 sin 4x and cos minus x. Now we can write 2 into 2, 4 cos 2x cos minus theta, it is equal to the cos theta, and sin 4x. This is the RHS of the question. 4 cos x, cos 2x, sin 4x. Same. Hence, just put the formula of sin x plus sin by 2 times in the second step and this in this step only. The question number 6 is sin 7x plus sin 5x plus sin 9x plus sin 3x. And in denominator cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 9x, this equal to tan 6x. Now the two formulas, first is sin A plus sin B. It is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. And second one is cos A plus cos B. It is equal to the 2 cos A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. Just use these formulas. First, 2 sin 7x plus 5x by 2 and cos 7x minus 5x by 2 plus 2 sin 9x plus 3x by 2 and cos 9x minus 3x by 2. This is the denominator and the numerator. Now denominator. 2 cos A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B. Okay, now solve. 2 common. Sin 12 by 2, it is 6x. Cos x, 7 by 2 by 2 cos x. Sin 6x, 9 minus 3, it is cos 3x. Two cos 6x cos x cos 6x and cos 3x. 9 minus 3, 6 by 2, 3x. Okay. Common. 2 cancel. Sin 6x common. Cos x plus cos 3x. And denominator cos 6x common. Same term common, cancel. Sin 6x by cos 6x equal to tan 6x. It is RHS of the question. Tan 6x. Okay, hence solve question number 6. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x equal to 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Okay. So now rearrange and solve LHS. Sin 3x and pairing sin 2x minus sin x. Okay. The formula of sin 3x, you can use sin 2a equal to, the formula is 2 sin a cos a. Okay. So sin 2 equal to 2 sin a cos a means 2 sin 3x by 2 and cos 3x by 2. And sin x minus sin y, or the sin a minus sin b, equal to 2 cos a plus b. It means 2x plus x by 2 and sin 2x minus x by 2. Okay. Now 2 sine 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2 plus 2 cos 3x by 2 and sine x by 2. Take common 2 cos 3x by 2. Cos 3x by 2 common, 2 cos 3x by 2. Sine 3x by 2 plus sine x by 2. Again put the formula of sine x plus sine y. Sine x plus sine y equal to 2 sine a plus b by 2, or the x plus y divided by 2, and cos divided by 2. 2 into 2 4 cos 3x by 2 sine 3x plus 4x by 4 it is x sine x, and cos 2x by 2 x by 2 it is cos x by 2. It is the RHS of the question. 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2. It is RHS of the question. Okay. Now question number 8. The from question number 8 is from find sin x by 2 cos x by 2 and tan x by 2 in each of the following. Tan x equal to minus 4 by 3 x in quadrant 2 and cos x equal to minus 1 by 3 in the second quadrant. Tan x equal to minus 4 by 3. X lies in the second quadrant. It means x is greater than pi by 2 but less than pi. Okay, it is in second quadrant, this means. And divided by 2, pi by 4, x by 2. It means it is greater than pi by 4 but the less than pi by 2. Okay. Now tan x equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay. The 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x. So we can find sec square x means 1 plus minus 4 by 3 whole square. It is 16 by 9 equal to 25 by 9. Then sec x equal to plus minus 5 by 3. But the sec x equal to and cos x, the reciprocal of the sec x. So we can say that plus minus 3 by 5. If cos x lies in the second quadrant, it means the cos x equal to minus 3 by 5 in second quadrant, whereas cos x lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant. Okay. Now find the value of cos x and sin cos x by 2, sin x by 2 and tan x by 2. Now put the formula of cos 2x. Cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. It means 2 cos square x by 2 is equal to cos x plus 1 or the 1 plus cos x. Just put the values of 1 plus cos x equal to minus 3 by 5. 2 cos square x by 2 equal to 5 minus 3, 2 by 5. Now cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 by 5. 2 to cancel. Then cos square x by 2 equal to 1 by 5. It means cos x by 2 equal to under root 1 by 5. And rationalize multiplied by root 5 in numerator and denominator. It means cos x by 2 equal to root 5 by 5. Next, sin square x by 2. So sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 equal to 1. Sin square x by 2. Cos square x by 2 equal to 1 by 5. Cos square x by 2 equal to 1 by 5 equal to 1. Sin square x by 2 equal to 1 minus 1 by 5. It is 4 by 5. Sin x by 2, square root of root 4 by 5 and rationalize. 2 by root 5 and root 5 multiply in numerator and denominator. The equal to 2 root 5 by 5. And 10x by 2 equal to sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 is equal to 2 root 5 by 5 and cos equal to root 5 by 5. Cancel these terms. 10x by 2 equal to 2. Okay. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is cos x equal to minus 1 by 3. X in the quadrant third. It means third quadrant means x is greater than pi but less than 3 pi by 2. Now we have to find the values of sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. Okay. So now x by 2 lies in the which quadrant? Dividing by 2. It means greater than pi by 2 and then x by 2 lies in the second quadrant. X by 2 lies in the second quadrant. It means cos x by 2 and tan x by 2 negative. Both are negative. And sin x by 2 positive. In second quadrant, sin x by 2 positive and these are negative. Now solve by the equation. First of the sin. The formula of cos 2x is equal to cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay. 1 minus 2 sin square a. It means sin square x equal to 1 minus cos sin square x by 2 equal to 2 cos x by 2. Okay. Now just put the values of 1 minus 1 by 3 by 2. It is equal to the 4 by 3. It means 4 by 6, 2 by 3. Sin x by 2 equal to under root 2 by under root 3 and rationalize. The answer is root 6 by 3 because it is in the second quadrant positive value. Now cos x by 2. So you can find the value of the cos x by 2 by using the formula sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 equal to 1. Now cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Sin square x is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. It is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3 plus cos x by 2 equal to under root plus minus 1 by root 3. But it is lies in the second quadrant. Therefore, the value of cos xy equal to 2 minus root 3 by 3. By rationalization, we get minus root 3 by 3. And the tan x by 2, it is easy. Tan x by 2 is also a negative. Therefore, sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 is equal to root 6 by root 3 and cos x by 2 is equal to minus root 3 by 3. 3 cancel. It is equal to minus root 2. 3 cancel. 3 2 is 6. It means tan x by 2 is negative root 2. These are the answers of tan x by 2, cos x by 2 and sin x by 2. The last question number 10. The last question is sin x equal to 1 by 4 x in quadrant 2. It means x is quadrant 2 means x is greater than pi by 2 but less than pi. Okay, in quadrant 2. If we divide it by 2, it means the x by 2 lies between x pi by 4 to pi by 2. It means this is in the first quadrant. X by 2 lies in the first quadrant, x lies in the second. The x lies in the first quadrant means all positive. All ratios are positive. Okay. Now find the values. The first sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Cos square x equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 whole square. It is equal to 15 by 16. Cos x equal to root 15 by 4. Plus minus, but all the values are positive, therefore cos x equal to root 15 by 4. Cos x equal to root 15 by 4. Now 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2 equal to 1 plus cos x divided by 2. Cos square x by 2 equal to 1 plus cos x by 2. Now just put the values of cos x is root 15 by 4 divided by 2. Okay. Now cos square x by 2. It is equal to 4 minus root 15 by 8. Okay. Now cos x by 2 equal to under root 4 minus root 15 by 8. Now multiplied by 2 in numerator and denominator for rationalization of denominator. It is equal to 8 minus 2 root 15 by 4. Okay. Now the sin square x by 2 equal to 1 minus cos x by 2. This is same way 1 minus root 15 by 4 by 2. It is equal to 4 plus root 15 by 8. Okay. Now sin x by 2 equal to same way root 4 plus root 15 by 8. And rationalizing the denominator 4 plus root 15 by 8. Now rationalize multiplied 2 in numerator and denominator. It is equal to 8 plus 2 root 15 by 4. Okay. And now 10x by 2. Sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 divided by four cancel. Rationalize under root 8 plus 2 root 15 by root 8 minus 2 root 15. Now rationalize. So root 8 plus minus here the plus multiplying numerator and denominator. In multiplying numerator you will get 2 plus 2 root 15. Eliminate the root and a plus b, a minus b means under root 64 minus 60. Okay. Now root cancel. Root cancel only 8 plus 2 root 15. Sorry. 8 plus 2 root 15 divided by under root 64 is equal to 2. Okay. Root multiplying, after root multiplying root cancel. Take 2 common, 4 plus root 15 by 2. 2 cancel. Answer is 4 plus root 15. Okay. After rationalization, total answer is 10x by 2 equal to 4 plus root 15.